D&D Club started when I was a freshman. I really enjoyed playing Dungeons and Dragons, but I didn't really know that many people who also liked doing it. And I wanted to meet more people who did, and I actually reached out to Mr. Allen, reached out to the LT staff, and wanted to ask and see if we could get the club started. And initially it was a little rough because there was already a Board Games Club. But Board Games Club only met for an hour, and D&D Club would need more time than that. So that's kind of, we ran with it. I got signatures, everything, that whole thing, and then it's now a thing. It's really big, and it's really awesome.
D&D Club's a club where we come together and play D&D, which is a game about collaborative storytelling and teamwork, where a group of friends get around a table, have some fun role-playing.
There's like a big artistic element to it, and there's also like a big sense of like community and friendships. I know like my entire friend group and I like we're friends because we play D&D, and like relationships have like formed because we spend so much time like collaborating creatively together.
There's something just satisfying about having your own like ways that people can just do their own things, like puzzles, combat. There's many different ways to sort of go about it. And that's something that I really like about D&D. It's just really creative in some ways you can do things.
Any student who wants to come is allowed to and can.
Anyone's welcome.
Anyone can join. We have such a big like span of people here, and there's a ton of people who come and are like, I don't know how to play, I don't know how to do this and that, and then like in a couple months they're like coming to every meeting and they're like raring to go to play D&D. So
If you've experienced, that's awesome. If you don't, we'll teach you. We're happy to help.